Welcome back to Solutions, tech enthusiasts. Today, we are diving into the fascinating world of augmented reality, AR, and exploring its wide-ranging applications and the profound impact it's having on various industries. So, let's get started. Augmented reality is the technology that overlays digital content onto the real world, enhancing our perception and interaction with the environment. Its applications are vast and span across multiple sectors. Gaming has been revolutionized by augmented reality. Remember the Pokemon Go craze? It brought Pokemon characters into the real world, allowing players to catch them using their smartphones. But AR gaming doesn't stop there. Companies are now developing immersive AR experiences, enabling gamers to interact with virtual objects in their living rooms or outdoor spaces. The retail industry has also harnessed the power of AR. Imagine trying on clothes without actually stepping into a fitting room. With augmented reality, you can. By using AR-enabled apps, you can virtually try on clothing, accessories, and even see how furniture would look in your home before making a purchase. This enhances the online shopping experience and reduces returns. Augmented reality is making significant strides in healthcare too. Surgeons can use AR during complex procedures to overlay vital information, such as patient data and 3D models, directly onto the surgical field. This enhances precision, reduces errors, and improves patient outcomes. Additionally, AR is being used for medical training, allowing students to practice in realistic simulated environments. Education is another sector benefiting from AR technology. Imagine studying astronomy and being able to explore the solar system in your classroom. AR enables students to visualize complex concepts, interact with virtual objects, and engage in immersive learning experiences. It brings subjects to life, making education more engaging and impactful. The impact of augmented reality goes beyond individual industries. It has the potential to transform how we interact with technology and shape our future. In the field of industrial design, AR is revolutionizing the prototyping and visualization process. Designers can create virtual 3D models and overlay them onto the real world, allowing them to see how a product would look and function before investing in physical prototypes. This accelerates the design cycle and brings products to market faster. Architects are also leveraging AR to visualize and present their designs. They can create interactive 3D models of buildings and overlay them onto construction sites, enabling clients to experience the proposed structures in real time. This improves communication, minimizes errors, and enhances client satisfaction. Augmented reality has transformed the way we experience gaming, retail, healthcare, education, industrial design, and architecture, to name just a few. Its potential to revolutionize other industries is immense, and we can't wait to see what the future holds. That's it for today's exploration of the world of augmented reality. We hope you enjoyed this video and gained insights into the applications and impact of AR technology. As always, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more exciting content, and hit the notification bell to stay up to date. Thank you for watching, and until next time, keep embracing the incredible possibilities of technology.